Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. This is Easy English for Science. Dr. Ray, I saw something last night that I can't stop thinking about.
What was it, James?
A documentary about ancient humans, people from 10,000 years ago.
Oh, interesting.
They were dancing around a fire. But not just dancing, they were spinning in circles around and around.
Yes, that's true. Many ancient cultures danced in circles.
But here's what's blowing my mind. These people didn't know about science. They didn't know about physics. They didn't know about galaxies or atoms. So why did they spin? Why circles?
James, that is one of the most beautiful questions you've ever asked.
Really?
Really? Because to answer this question, we need to go on a journey from your bathroom sink to the edge of the universe. Because here's the thing, James. Ancient humans spun in circles for the same reason water spins in your sink, for the same reason hurricanes spin, for the same reason planets spin, for the same reason galaxies spin.
Wait, you're saying everything spins?
Many things in nature spin, and there's a reason.
I need to know this reason.
Then let's start the journey.
Okay, everyone, stay with us. We're about to discover why the universe loves to spin.
James, let me ask you something simple first. When you let water out of your sink, what happens?
The water goes down the drain.
But how does it go down?
Oh, it spins. It makes a little whirlpool.
Exactly. But why? Why doesn't it just go straight down?
I never thought about that.
Here's what happens. Water comes from different directions, some from the left, some from the right. When they meet at the drain, they can't all go straight, so they start to spin. Spinning is easier than fighting.
So spinning solves the problem?
Yes. Yes, nature often produces patterns that work efficiently, and spinning is often the best solution.
That's so cool. But what about bigger things, like way bigger?
Good question. Have you ever seen a hurricane from space?
In photos, yes. It's a giant spiral.
Right. Hurricanes are huge. Some are 500 kilometers wide. And they spin, just like water in your sink.
But wait, is it the same reason?
Similar, but hurricanes have something extra helping them spin.
What?
The spinning of Earth itself.
Hold on. Earth spins?
James, of course Earth spins. That's why we have day and night.
Oh, right. I knew that. But I never really thought about it. How fast are we spinning right now?
Right now, you and I are moving at about 1,600 kilometers per hour.
What? 1,600? That's faster than an airplane.
Yes, but you don't feel it. Everything around you moves at the same speed.
This is insane. So right now, as we talk, we're spinning?
You're spinning right now.
But I don't feel dizzy.
Because the spin is smooth and constant. You only feel dizzy when spinning changes.
Okay, my mind is already blown. But you said Earth's spin helps hurricanes.
Yes, when air moves across Earth's spinning surface, it starts to curve. This curving makes the spiral shape.
So Earth's spin creates the hurricane spin?
Earth's spin helps create it. The hurricane wouldn't spin the same way without Earth's rotation.
That's amazing. Okay, so we have spinning water and spinning hurricanes. What else spins?
Let me show you something even more amazing. Have you ever seen a whirlpool in the ocean?
In videos, yes. They're scary. Ships can get pulled in.
Exactly. That's water spinning very powerfully. The faster it spins, the stronger it gets.
Why does it get stronger?
Because spinning can organize movement and motion. All that water's movement focuses into one point.
So spinning creates power?
Spinning can create incredible power.
Wow. But Dr. Ray, we're still on Earth. You said we'd go to space.
You're right. Let's go bigger. James, Earth doesn't just spin on its axis. Earth also goes around the sun.
I know that. That's why we have years.
Correct. But do you know why Earth doesn't fall into the sun?
Because of gravity?
Gravity pulls Earth toward the sun, but Earth is also moving forward. So instead of falling in, Earth goes around.
Like going in a circle?
Exactly. Let me give you an example. Imagine you tie a ball to a string. Then you spin it around your head. What happens?
The ball goes in a circle.
Right. The string pulls the ball toward your hand, but the ball's movement keeps it going in a circle. It doesn't crash into your hand.
Oh, so Earth is like the ball, and gravity is like the string.
Perfect. Gravity pulls Earth toward the sun, but Earth keeps moving forward, so Earth spins around the sun.
That makes so much sense.
And James, here's something that will blow your mind.
What?
You're not just spinning with Earth's rotation. You're also spinning around the sun right now.
I'm doing 2 spins at once?
Actually, 3.
3?
Yes. Earth spins on its axis. Earth spins around the sun. And the sun spins around the galaxy.
No way. The sun moves too?
The sun is moving through space right now. It goes around the center of our galaxy.
How long does that take?
About 225 million years for one trip around.
That's so long.
Yes, but it's always moving, always spinning.
So I'm doing 3 different spins right now?
You're a triple spinner, James.
This is the craziest thing I've ever learned. But wait, you said galaxies spin too?
Yes, our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a giant spiral.
I've seen pictures. It looks like a beautiful pinwheel.
Exactly. The Milky Way is about 100,000 light years across, and it's all spinning.
Why does it spin?
Ah, James, now we're getting to the big answer. Listen carefully. In the very beginning, when the universe was born, everything was moving.
You mean the Big Bang?
Yes. After the Big Bang, all the energy and matter started moving in different directions. Nothing was standing still. Now imagine a big cloud of gas in space. Different parts of the cloud move in different directions. Some go left, some go right, some go up, some go down.
That sounds messy.
It is messy, but here's what happens. When you add up all those movements, there's usually a little bit more movement in one direction.
Like slightly more to the left?
Exactly. Maybe just 1% more. But that tiny difference starts to create rotation.
So the cloud starts to spin?
Yes. And here's the most important part. Once something starts spinning, it keeps spinning.
Why? Why doesn't it stop?
Because in space, there's nothing to stop it. On Earth, things stop because of friction. But in space, there's no friction.
So things just keep spinning forever?
Pretty much. This is called conservation of angular momentum.
Angular what?
Don't worry about the big words. Just think of it like this. You know those spinning tops? The toys?
Yes.
When you spin a top, it keeps going and going. It doesn't want to stop.
Right. It keeps spinning until friction slows it down.
Exactly. But in space, there's almost no friction. So once something starts spinning, it can spin for billions of years. Our galaxy has been spinning for more than 13 billion years.
That's almost as old as the universe.
Exactly. The galaxy started spinning when it formed, and it's still spinning today.
This is so beautiful.
It is. And James, this happens everywhere. When a cloud of gas starts to spin, it pulls more gas toward the center. As it gets smaller, it spins faster. Eventually, it forms a spinning disk.
Like a frisbee.
Great comparison. And from that spinning disk, planets are born, stars are born, galaxies are born, all spinning.
So many things in the universe spin because spinning is natural.
Exactly. Spinning is one of nature's favorite patterns.
But Dr. Ray, I still have my original question.
About ancient humans?
Yes, we talked about water, hurricanes, Earth, planets, and galaxies. They all spin. But why did ancient humans spin when they danced? They didn't know about any of this science.
Ah, James, this is the most beautiful part of the whole story. Think about what ancient humans saw every day.
What did they see?
They saw water spiral when it moved. They saw whirlwinds in the desert. They saw birds fly in circles above them. They saw the sun and moon move across the sky in curves.
So they saw spinning everywhere?
Yes! Even without understanding the science, they lived in a spinning world.
So they copied what they saw?
Maybe, but I think it's deeper than copying.
What do you mean?
Humans are made of atoms, atoms that were created inside stars. We live on a spinning planet. We move through a spinning galaxy. Spinning is part of the universe, and we are part of the universe.
So spinning feels natural to us?
Some researchers believe that spinning movements affect our brains in special ways.
How?
When you spin, your inner ear senses the movement. This can create feelings of joy or connection.
Is that why kids love to spin around?
Maybe. Children spin naturally. They don't need anyone to teach them.
That's true. I used to spin all the time when I was little.
Exactly. And ancient humans might have felt the same thing. When they danced in circles around a fire, they felt connected, connected to each other, connected to the rhythm of nature.
So they were moving the way the universe moves?
In a way, yes. They didn't understand gravity or angular momentum, but they felt the pattern of spinning.
That's incredible.
It might be that spinning is one of the universe's most basic languages. Water speaks it, stars speak it, galaxies speak it, and maybe humans speak it too.
By dancing in circles?
By dancing in circles.
Dr. Ray, this is the most amazing thing I've ever learned.
I'm so glad, James.
So let me see if I understand the whole story. After the Big Bang, things started moving. This movement created spinning. Once things start spinning, they keep spinning. This made spinning galaxies, spinning stars, and spinning planets. Ancient humans lived in this spinning world, and when they danced, they moved in circles, because circles and spinning are natural patterns.
Beautifully said, James. From the smallest whirlpool to the largest galaxy, many things in nature follow the same pattern, the pattern of rotation.
And we're part of that pattern.
We are.
I have one more question.
Go ahead.
Does the whole universe spin?
That's a great question. Scientists are still studying that. Some think the universe might have a very slow rotation, but we're not completely sure yet.
Wow! So even the universe itself might be spinning?
It's possible. We're still learning.
That would make sense, right? If everything inside spins, maybe the whole thing spins too.
That's beautiful thinking, James.
This has been such an amazing journey. From my bathroom sink to ancient humans to the edge of the universe.
And it's all connected.
Okay, everyone. Before we finish, I want to tell you something special. Did you notice something while Dr. Ray and I were talking?
James, should we tell them?
Yes. Today, we used 2 special English patterns many times, but we didn't tell you at the beginning. We hid them in our conversation.
That's right. We wanted you to hear them naturally first.
The first pattern is tend to. We said things like water tends to spin and galaxies tend to rotate. This pattern means something usually happens or has a natural habit.
Native speakers use tend to all the time, especially in science.
The second pattern is the same. We said things like the same reason and the same pattern. This pattern connects different things together.
The same force, the same principle. It's perfect for showing how things are connected.
Now here's something amazing. If you watch this video again, you'll hear these patterns everywhere. We used tend to more than 40 times and the same more than 15 times. But you probably didn't notice because they were natural in the conversation. That's how you learn English best, not by memorizing, but by hearing patterns in real conversations. So here's my challenge to you. Watch this video one more time. Count how many times you hear tend to. Count how many times you hear the same. I promise you, you'll be surprised.
And while you're counting, you'll learn the patterns even better.
It's like a secret gift hidden in the video.
Learning by discovery.
If you enjoyed this journey from ancient dances to spinning galaxies, please subscribe to Easy English for You. This is our Easy English for Science series. We make big ideas simple, and we help you learn English naturally. Hit that like button if you learned something amazing today, And tell us in the comments, have you ever felt the joy of spinning? When you were a child, did you love to spin around? Do you think ancient humans felt connected to the universe when they danced? Leave your thoughts below.
Thank you all for joining us on this cosmic journey. Remember, you're spinning through space right now.
3 spins at once.
You're part of the universe's dance.
See you next time. Keep spinning, everyone.
Goodbye.